Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you've been here before. In today's video, we are making sweet potato cookies. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, consider pressing that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. Here we have all of the ingredients for the cookies. Up first, we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Up next, we have 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 stick of melted unsalted butter, 1 cup of mashed sweet potato. Here we have 1/2 cup of kettle glazed pecans. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract as well as 1 cup of small marshmallows. We're going to start by adding the butter and the sugar to the bowl. And then we're going to turn the mixer on and mix until well combined. And then we're going to go in with the eggs. Now we're going to go in with our tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're going to turn the mixer on and then add about 1/3 of the flour mixture, 1/2 of the sweet potato, another 1/3 of the flour mixture, the rest of the sweet potato, and then finally the rest of the flour mixture. After that, we're going to add our pecans. And lastly, we're going to go in with our cup of marshmallows. So we're going to remove the bowl from the stand mixer and we're going to place the cookie dough in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes before we scoop it onto a cookie sheet. So here we have our cookie sheet. It's been lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to take an ice cream scoop and scoop our cookie dough onto the parchment paper. It's a little sticky. So now I'm just going to take some of the marshmallows and press a few on top of each of the cookies. There's obviously some in the cookie dough, but I just want to make sure to see them on top of the cookie as well. All right, y'all, so we have the cookies ready to go into the oven. The oven has been preheated to 350 degrees. These will bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. I'll keep an eye on them and adjust the time as needed. But as always, I'll let you guys know exactly how long it takes in my oven when I remove them. So here are the cookies right out of the oven. This is actually my second batch, which I made slightly larger, and they ended up baking for 18 minutes in the oven. So the smaller cookies I do think would still take anywhere from 12 to 15. Everyone's oven is different, so if you decide to give this recipe a try, just keep an eye on them and leave them in the oven as long as you need to. So here we have the finished product, our sweet potato cookies. I decided to finish them off by drizzling some caramel on top. I did not make this caramel, I purchased it. I will have it linked down below in the description box along with the recipe. Really enjoyed these cookies. The family did as well. To me personally, they tasted better the next day once the caramel got a chance to really harden a bit, and they were really chewy. You can taste the sweet potato. That flavor really comes through. So yeah, 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button before you leave, and please consider looking down below, pressing that subscribe button, and join the family. As always, I thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.